Caribbean Tourism Month. Tobago is indeed pleased to join the rest of the region as we celebrate under the theme, One Caribbean, Building a Resilient Future. Tourism continues to be a main industry here for us on the island, whether it be we celebrate through our festivals, our rich culture, our sites and attraction, or in fact, most importantly, the people.
Here in Tobago, tourism is more than just an industry. It is woven into the very fabric of our island. It's a bridge that connects our past, present, and future. It sustains our culture, it fuels our economy, and it empowers our communities. Each visitor who enjoys and experiences Tobago's vibrant culture, dances to our rhythms, and explores our natural wonders is helping to preserve our heritage.
For us within the division, we have several activities planned during this month as we celebrate with our staff, we celebrate with our young people, we celebrate with our senior citizens. In fact, we celebrate tourism with all of Tobago.
We'll be having the Ducat Thanksgiving church service. We'll also be having the Tobago Hotel Weekend, where participating hotels will give discounts on accommodations and meals. There will also be the Senior Citizens Get to Know Your Island tour, the Tourism Youth Club scavenger hunt, which is going to be fun and educational.
We encourage you to participate in all the activities we have planned for Caribbean Tourism Month as we continue to connect our roots, sharing our world. Tobago beyond ordinary, the greatest little island on the planet.